Malcolm Garvey, Huey.
Let's gangsta
Malcolm
grill,
Garvey,
G-Pack,
Huey. Life is like a movie.
I
die, I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study G's like these, really think you should.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is Checkmate 007 teaching you the art of financial freedom. Wow! To your budget. I passed the PMP, International Project Management Certification. You know what I'm saying? I'm recognized all over the world. Holla at your boy. Holla at your boy. You know what I'm saying? Take the glass off. You already see your boy. Now, the PMP is Project Management Professional Certification handout to the best. But I think it's like 2.5 hours, 190 minutes, 210 minutes. I forgot already. It's a hard exam. Passing rate is about 50%. But I'm gonna tell you how I passed it without reading the PMBOK or any books for that matter. I want to shout out to Andrew. I'm gonna mess up his name. Ramdayal. You know what I'm saying? I got his book. You know what I'm saying? I keep it with me. The PMP exam prep simplified. It comes with the course. I got it for $35. I think it's on Amazon now for $50. I got mine at a good deal. It comes with the course. They say it's valued at $200. Look, for me, it's valued at $1,000 because I passed without actually reading the book. I'm reading it now, but you know, it is what it is. And then you got Tridib Roy. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna have all the links to all this at the bottom. He got a Udemy course on the practice exams. Now his practice exams are pretty good. He got some short ones that are very detailed on what skills you need to know. And then I got two other people I subscribe to their YouTubes. Shehab, he's very good. I'm gonna have his link in there. He's very good at breaking down a lot of the processes, especially over risk management. That was a big one. Risk management, conflict management, and integration. Very important. And how to close a project. Be very careful when closing a project. And then you got Aileen Ellis. She's the greatest for the terms. For the ITTOs and the 49 processes. Incredible. She has 2 videos. I got the audio, had them on repeat. I'm gonna put her page subscription in the video down below. But man, the PMP, man, I took 8 weeks to get it. Then took this $50 $35 book, took the course, did the videos, but it took me like $50 in prep material. So I signed up for the membership, cost me $140 and the test was $400. So I really made off with a good deal to pass the PMP. Because regardless, you're gonna shell out about $550 for the test. I got out of it about $50 in study material. Now, what you need to understand is how I passed. That's important. The problem with most people I know who try to pass the PMP, you spend way too much time memorizing terms. Will not help you. The most important thing about the PMP is understanding how to lead. How to be a project manager. Not, what is this term? They don't care. You get scenarios on how to be a project manager. Most of the test is going to come down to how to be a project manager in Agile, Scrum, Kanban, Scrumban. These are the most important things on the actual exam. You need to know the ITTOs and processes, but they're not going to drill down on them granularly. They're going to be real focused on what would you do as a project manager. And I'm already a natural leader, so it's very easy for me, but a lot of you have a worker's mindset. Get into the project management mindset, and that was covered extremely well in this course. Be a project manager when you take the test. One other skill I would suggest, be able to answer a question in 1 minute, because they give you about 75 seconds a question. Now, in the future, I'm going to start doing Agile videos related to PMP. But I passed. That's how you pass. Leadership, Agile, don't overindulge on the terms, and try to go through all the practice tests I mentioned, and check out the links below. I got you. I'm going to help you out. We in this. Checkmate 007 out.
I organize. Everything I do's revolutionize. I build what's good for the whole damn hood. Study